everyone, I just received this StarPlug device, so let me talk a little about this project and then I'll show you how to set this up. Before we start, I just wanted to be clear that this is not an investment advice. This product was given to me so I can do a short info video for you, and if you want to purchase this product, you can click on the link in the description for a 10% discount. StarPlug is a Web3 based DePin smart plug that will let you earn some Star token while it's connected to your electronic device. This device will allow you to monitor your energy consumption through the Star Power app, control your devices remotely, and helps you schedule the operations of your appliances. This is basically a smart plug and a kilowatt product in one, with a software solution that will allow you to participate with your energy company's electricity demand programs. This is really not a new concept, but the company is trying to put everything together into one product, and they're introducing it to the people as a DePin project. If you own an AC, your power company probably offered you some credit if you let them install a small box next to your AC unit so that they can power off your AC during heavy demand hour. Or maybe you sign up with your power company's Reduce Your Use program, where they'll send you an email or notification and they'll give you some credit if you can reduce your electric usage by a certain amount during a certain hour. If you have a smart thermostat, you can let them turn it off, but still, you need to reduce your electric usage drastically to receive some compensation. At this time, the company will reward you with a T-Star token, which is the testnet token for this project. This token does not have any value at this point, but this will be converted into a Star token after the TGE or token generation event. In my understanding, the TGE will happen before the end of first quarter of this year. Currently, the project is starting to build the network, so they are in this phase called Proof of Connectivity. If you are familiar with DePin projects, this is the best time to collect tokens, as you will get the most rewards, because during this time, all you need to do is plug in the device to your outlet and connect it to the network, which is what we're going to do. But the company is actually encouraging users now to connect their power consuming product, such as your AC, HVAC unit, electric stoves, or water heater, because this is going to help the project collect useful data. So if you decide to get the product, might as well do it now so we can help this project succeed. Also, you don't need to worry about when they're going to switch from phase 1 to phase 2 to phase 3. Once the network is large enough, they're going to switch to proof of capacity. At this point, you'll need to have a device actually plug into this unit, as they will be looking for evidence of consumption data. So, if you already plugged in a device to this unit during the proof of connectivity stage, you don't need to do anything. You just need to make sure that the device is plugged in and connected to your network. The final stage is switching to proof of response. At this time, you will be rewarded when you provide energy supply or when a reduce your use signal is issued by your power company. As a user, you will also get additional incentive when you actually participate in the reduce your use program. This means if you use this for your AC unit, you can participate by turning off your device or letting the app do it for you when the grid needs the electricity. I participate with my electric company's Reduce Your Use program, and in my experience, they call for an electric reduction usage between 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Most of the time, it's between 5 and 6 p.m. It's very seldom that they'll call for more than 1 hour, and on some occasion, they will also send an emergency 15 or 30 minutes energy reduction usage. This happens about twice a week during peak summer season. Right now, the company only has the StarPlug available, but they're now accepting the pre-order for the Star battery, and they will have the Star charger coming soon if you have an electric vehicle. So let's go ahead and set this thing up. The first thing you need to do is to download the app. If you have an iPhone, you can download the app directly from the App Store. If you have an Android, then you need to download the APK. And you can do that by scanning this QR code and download the app. So once you download and install the app, you want to make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is on so that you can connect to your device. So once you have your Bluetooth on, you can open the Star Power app and then you can create an account. So let me go create an account first and we'll get back with the installation. So after you create the account, go back to the home screen and then tap the device button. And then tap claim your StarPlug. Then you can plug in the device and power it on. If the green button is not flashing, all you need to do is press and hold the power button for 2 to 6 seconds to reset it and pair the device. Tap next. After that, the device light will flash. Select the device on the list. Connect it to your Wi-Fi. And then verify the device and click next. And click next to bind the device. Now your setup is complete. So once you plug this device, you will start earning T-Star token. And also you can get more airdrops if you register your device. And you can also use a referral code to get more rewards. If you don't have one, you can use my referral code on the description. And also you can buy an NFT so you can collect more Nova token. So I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button. And again, if you want to purchase this product and you want to get a discount, just use my link on the description. And when you register the device, you can use my referral code so you can get an extra boost on your earnings. And again, thank you for watching.